Are you struggling to get your YouTube channel monetized and earn money from your content? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can triple your potential YouTube ad revenue in just 30 days, even if you haven't been monetized yet. And before we dive in, don't forget to download our free monetization hacks and secrets checklist to help small YouTube channels get monetized fast. You can find the link in the description below. First, let's get real about what it takes to get monetized on YouTube. If you're still not monetized, it's important to remember that YouTube requires you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months to join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you meet that threshold, YouTube starts showing ads on your videos, and you earn money through ad revenue. But here's the thing. Even before you get monetized, there are key strategies you can start applying now to maximize your revenue potential once you're eligible. The first strategy is choosing the right niche. Not all content on YouTube pays the same. Different niches have different CPM rates. CPM stands for cost per 1,000 impressions, and it's the amount advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views. Higher CPM niches like finance, tech, and business tend to pay more because advertisers in those industries have bigger budgets. So if your content falls into one of these categories or you can create videos related to these topics, you're already setting yourself up for higher ad revenue. But what if your channel isn't in one of these niches? That's okay. You can still boost your revenue by creating content that overlaps with higher paying topics. For example, if your channel is about gaming, you could make a video on how to manage gaming budgets, which overlaps with the finance niche. Or if your channel is about fitness, you could talk about fitness gadgets, bringing in tech-related content. The goal is to strategically work in higher CPM topics while staying true to your channel's theme. Next up, let's talk about video length. Here's an important tip. YouTube allows you to place mid-roll ads in videos that are at least 8 minutes long. This means more ads are shown in your videos, leading to more revenue. So, if you want to increase your future ad earnings, aim for longer videos. But remember, quality is key. You don't want to just drag out your content. The video needs to remain engaging and informative throughout, or you'll lose your audience. The longer they stay watching, the more ads get shown, and the higher your revenue will be once you're monetized. Speaking of audience engagement, keeping viewers watching is one of the most important factors in growing your channel and getting monetized faster. YouTube's algorithm loves videos that keep people watching. The longer the watch time on your channel, the more likely YouTube is to promote your videos to new audiences. This means more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours, which all get you closer to that 4,000 hour threshold for monetization. To keep viewers hooked, make sure your intros are short and captivating. Get straight to the point and keep your editing sharp to maintain their attention. Now, let's talk about keywords and SEO. Search engine optimization is critical for getting your videos discovered on YouTube. By using the right keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, you increase the chances of your videos being found by viewers searching for specific topics. But here's the thing. Keywords can also affect the types of ads shown on your videos. Higher paying keywords can attract better paying advertisers, even before you're monetized. That's why it's important to do some keyword research related to high CPM niches and incorporate those keywords into your content naturally. If you haven't been using playlists, now is the time to start. Playlists can significantly increase your watch time by encouraging viewers to watch multiple videos in a row. Group your related videos into themed playlists so that when a viewer finishes one, they're automatically taken to the next one in the series. This not only boosts your watch time, but also keeps viewers on your channel longer, which can help you reach that 4,000 hours of watch time faster. Once you've hit that magic 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, it's time to focus on ad placement. This is something you can prepare for in advance, even if you aren't monetized yet. When you do get monetized, don't rely on YouTube's automatic ad placements. Take the time to manually place mid-roll ads in your videos at natural breaks or transitions. This keeps the viewer experience smooth while maximizing your ad revenue potential. Strategically placing ads ensures they aren't too intrusive, which can reduce drop-off rates and keep viewers engaged. Another strategy that can help you monetize even faster is to diversify your income streams. You don't have to wait for YouTube ads to start earning from your channel. You can incorporate affiliate marketing, sell digital products, or offer services related to your content. By doing this, you'll start generating income while you work on getting those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. When you eventually do get monetized, these additional revenue streams will triple your overall income. You should also consider your audience demographics. Advertisers pay more for certain demographics, especially viewers from countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, and the UK. If most of your audience comes from these regions, you're likely to see a higher CPM when you're monetized. To attract these audiences, consider making content that appeals to their interests or solving problems that are relevant to them. Another key point is consistency. Consistently uploading new videos keeps your channel active and helps YouTube's algorithm recognize your content. The more videos you have, the more opportunities viewers have to find you. More views lead to more subscribers, and the quicker you can hit those monetization requirements. But remember, consistency doesn't just mean pumping out videos. You still need to focus on quality. Regularly uploading valuable content that helps your audience will build trust and keep them coming back for more. Timing your uploads can also make a difference. Publish your videos when your audience is most active to maximize initial viewership. Check your YouTube analytics to find out when your viewers are online and upload during those times. This increases the likelihood of getting more views and engagement right away, which can push your video higher in the search results and recommended sections. Finally, optimizing your thumbnails and titles is essential to driving higher click-through rates. Even before you're monetized, this can help you build your audience faster. Thumbnails should be eye-catching and clearly represent the content of the video. Use bright colors, bold text, and high-contrast images to grab attention. Your title should be clear, concise, and include relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. And there you have it. These are the steps you can start applying now to set yourself up for success once your channel gets monetized. By focusing on high CPM content, optimizing your videos for longer watch times, and strategically placing ads when you get there, you can potentially triple your ad revenue within 30 days of monetization. Don't forget to download our monetization hacks and secrets checklist to help small YouTube channels get monetized fast. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and good luck with getting your channel monetized.